Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video, I've got some tiles. These are a little bit bigger than my ceramic ones. They're 5 by 5. And I got a pack of them I think I got them at the dollar store, but they're pretty thick. I've taped the back. And I'm gonna do some pretty blooms. This is my Glidden Premium Eggshell. Just gonna spread it out a little bit. So I'm going to use some gold. This is 24 karat gold by Sheleeart. I have some copper. Sheleeart Premium copper. And I think I might put a little bit of yellow. This is a Meaden orange, orangey yellow color. Meaden fluid paints. And I got some mermaid, this little piggy mermaid with some PBO blue green mixed. Some golden teal. And some greenish blue by Amsterdam. Let's see what we got. I'm going to use the black cell activator. Some air bubbles. This might be lower with my attachment. Woo! That's not good. Did that. Something is too thin. I think my Amsterdam greenish blue is too thin. I don't like this. Darn. I'm gonna have to thicken this up. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try this again. I don't know what the problem was there, but okay, let's try this again. Gold. 24-karat gold, copper, Eden orange, TLP mermaid, this is Amsterdam greenish blue, I just added a little bit more. Golden teal, I'll put that on the top. I don't know if it was my cell activator. I didn't mix it enough. Try this again. Where's the yellow? Oh, I was hoping for more yellow, but that is much better than the first one. That's the way it's supposed to be. I don't think I stirred my cell activator enough. It was just too thin. So let's see what we got. It is pretty. I was hoping for more of the yellow and gold to show up. Okay, I'll give it a spin. I don't have this centered very well. I'll do another one. Cells are beautiful. I don't think I'm going to put as much of the teal in. Maybe I'll put the teal on the bottom because it's opaque. All right, so let's remove this one. Pretty color combination though. I got another one prepared. Something in there. Make sure there's nothing else. Okay. So this time I think I'll put the teal underneath, just a little bit of teal. And the gold. Copper. I think I'll put I'll put the mermaid next. And then I'll put some yellow and see what we get. I might get green, but and this is the bluish green. I might put a tinge of this. Oh shoot, see, I didn't mix it enough and it's separated. Oh no. Oh, I gotta take that off. I'm gonna scoop it off. I haven't used these in about a week or so, so I forgot to shake it good. That's better. I hope it's okay. Cell activator. got more yellow showing through. This one's a bit darker because I put the lighter blue on the bottom, so it's not as light. All right. Something here. Oh, shoot. I think that's good. I'm gonna stop this video and I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. Have a good day. Here's my dried tiles. They dried pretty good. Oh, I love this one with the orange. Very cool. A little bit bigger than the standard ones. There you go. Have a great day. Bye.